Hello, hello. All right.
Okay, let's see what we're working with today. A few things that's gonna be on the agenda. So to be a part of this program, I have to all right, let's plan this out. Yeah, so this is the one we're gonna do. For that. All right. So to do this program, I have to all right. So that's something else I gotta do to be a part of this Code the Dream. Bro, why are you not using ChatGPT or Claude to get answers? Saves a lot of time. No, you're right, and thank you for that. You are loved and cared for. Thank you so much for telling me that. truly you are a mastermind in these coding streets. Honestly, if it weren't for you, I wouldn't know about Claude or ChatGPT and the fact that I could use it to get answers. Thank you so much. Oops, my bad. You saw Gemini. Sometimes I like to cheat. T, is Opera your preferred browser, or is there a different reason you use it? What you mean? Is Opera your preferred browser? I mean, honestly, if I could use a Game Boy Color to search the internet, I would. You know what I mean? Wouldn't that be cool to use a Game Boy Color? Like, forget Opera and Chrome and Firefox. I could just surf the web on my Game Boy Color. How's the grind going, man? It's going good, man. Thanks for asking. Alright, so let's get into it. We're doing a GitHub user search. It's going good, man. Just answering stupid questions from interesting folk on the internet. Let's see. Right now we're doing this little project right here. Let me catch my bearings, because I think I haven't worked on it in 2 days. Gemini has a larger context window but hallucinates a lot. Thank you so much for telling me that. Pixel Quest. Thank you so much. You are loved and appreciated. Thank you for telling me about AI. Okay, let's see. I might hear about AI and its issues every day, but honestly, if it weren't for you coming into this stream and telling me, I wouldn't know, man. Even though I've heard it for the last 114 days every day, if it weren't for you, I wouldn't know. I wouldn't know. I wouldn't be the same person, man. All right, let's see. Oh, okay. So automatically I see the issues. I was at a tech conference the other week, and I am sick of hearing about AI now. Man, these fools be coming up in here. They can't get enough of it. It's their bread and butter, man. They love it. They love them some AI, man. They love it, man. You're not using AI? How could you? Oh, God. Anyway, so it does look kind of close. This is it at... Yeah, I think that's kind of close. It's close enough, right? So now let's see. I think this is 768. Yeah, this is 768. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my golly gosh. Oh gosh. AI. Oh my gosh, everyday AI. I need to know something new about AI every single day of my life. Clearly, without AI, we would not be here today, loving each other. It makes me feel so warm and so good. I need to know about AI at every single step and time. I must know about it. Tell me more about this AI I've never heard of. Tell me. Tell me more about this AI I've never heard of. Oh, great wizard of the internet. Oh, great informative people of the internet, tell me, grace me with your wisdom of AI. Oh. Oh, tell me more. AI, you say? All right, let's start. AI, you say? Tell me more about this. AI. This is what it's supposed to look like. I think this is just a row. We got to make it. Change it to grid or something. All right, so let's just do that first. So I did separate these into different parts last time. So I got the header, I got this, I got that, I got this. And then we had the whole container. Search is its own thing, header is its own thing. All right, so now what I want to do is I'm assuming, yeah, it must be in the GitHub user links. Yep. I wonder, can we force something into flex row? You know what? Nah, I'm not even gonna do that. Let's just say, nah, let's just go here, and I'm gonna say MD grid. What happens when I do this? Sheesh. MD grid columns 2. Work like a charm. Work like a chisarm. All right, and this is the GitHub stats. And so what we want is we want, it must be column. Do we want, is there, no. Oh, I think we can actually, yeah. Yeah, buddy, look at that. Look at it all coming together, all nice and neat and stuff. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. It's so wonderful. So the reason this is like this, so the user links, lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. All right, let's see. All right, so off of the rippity rip. Do you have a GitHub? Yes, sir. The Nightbot just posted the links. Brother. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Yes, sir. Be prepared. You know what? Be prepared, because it is a crazy place to look at, because it is filled with finished projects that don't have readmes. I have to go through it and clean it, man. Don't judge me. I mean, you can judge me. It's a free country, but, you know, don't judge me. That's what I like. That's what I like. See, it's just filled with stuffs. So you say it looks a lot better than yours, my friend. Don't say such things. Remind me in 8 minutes to push so I can get my green square for today. You see, I've been very consistent with my green squares. I'm very serious about my green squares. So what is this? This is the GitHub user bio. The GitHub user bio. Where did you learn web dev from? Where does anybody learn web dev from, my friend? Where do we learn it? Where do we learn? Now, to anybody that's new to this channel, some of you may notice that I am filled to the brim with sarcasm. Listen, after 114 days of answering every question under the sun involving, you know, my underarm, the spaces between my fingers, you know, my eyeballs, answering all those questions, all you can do is give all I have left is sass. That's all I have left is sass. Okay, so I'm sorry. Not really, but I'm kind of sorry. Okay, so let me think. So what I did was I made 1, 2, 3, 4, and what I want is for this to be in its own separate thingy. So how would I do something along the lines of that? I know what I would do. Are you tired of coding? Because it seems like you are. Sass's attitude. Touch some grass. Are you tired of coding? Because it seems like you are, man. You said, tell me, give me, how did you come upon that thought into your cranium? You feel that I am tired of coding. Tell me what you think. Tell me, how did you come to this conclusion, oh powerful Indian man? How did you do it? Speak to me the ways. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is, I'll just, yeah, on medium, I think it'll be, you know what, I think since I've been developing, I've never ran into this type of issue. So I think I'll just have another div. Is that what I'll do? Or maybe, I wonder how would I structure this? So, hold on. So, I need to think about what I want. So I need 2 divs. So I need 2 divs, one that is hidden. You are wrong, and it's okay to be wrong because I'm here to hug you and let you know that everything is okay. You will be all right. What's that Indian reference, bro? Indians are way smarter in coding. Obviously. Let's see. Okay, so how am I gonna do this? So maybe in the container, in this div, maybe in this div, do you practice data structures and algorithms? Do you practice shutting up? Let's see. Okay, so I think, let me think. So maybe I could put all the children in one div. I could put all the children in this this div. Right? I'll put all the children in this div. How do I feel about that? How do I feel about that? How do I feel about that? Okay, I'm okay with this. You ain't getting a good job without grinding leak code, bro. Thank you, oh wise man. I appreciate your comment. Thank you for coming to this place and telling me that I will not get a job without leak code. Oh, thank you, sir. So I'm gonna do gap 6, right? That should do a thing. It didn't do anything. That's because I wonder. Did you do tech/IT in the military? No. I remember I had a childhood friend named Mallory. I remember her. I haven't seen that name in a long time. That brings back really good memories. Mallory was really nice to me. That's not true. My job interview didn't ask for leak code. Jason. I don't think he asked you how he was gonna get a job. Jason, you got Jason. Follow my sass. Follow my sass. You don't we. That's why I'm giving it sass. You're gonna learn. I don't know if you're new here, but you'll understand. Don't worry about what they got. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Leave that. Leave that alone. Leave that alone. Then we'll have a div right here, and I'll just automatically. I'm making a GitHub user search because I am learning React. Thanks for asking. No help, man. They'll get crashed out in interviews, so. Ooh. What's up, Roha? Is this from Frontend Mentor? Yes, it is. Neither. I asked this guy to come on YouTube and stream this, but now when he is doing it, people will comment what they feel. People, and you know, everybody has every right to comment what they feel. Okay? And I'm glad that you are here sharing how you feel. UJJ7972. Clearly, what you're commenting is changing my perspective and my trajectory in my web development journey. And if it wasn't for you coming here and telling me some of the things that you've told me, I wouldn't know. Thank you, UJJ7972. Oh, God. Stop acting cool because you're not. I'm not cool. I'm cooler than an ice cube. I'm cooler than a polar bear on an ice cube. I'm cooler than a polar bear on an ice cube in Antarctica. No, I'm talking about those who use AI and DSA, not you. You are doing great, man. How much JS and CSS did you know before you started React? You know, that is a great question. And I don't know how to answer that. Enough. I'll say that. So I'm getting distracted. Okay, so when this goes to medium, it's okay. It's okay. You gotta spend some time. I did a huge project before I shifted to React and Tailwind. Clutch, you have committed a sin, and you know what you've done. The idea the individual, the human being who came up with the idea that we should add wet fruit to cheese, blasphemous. Clearly, they cared not about the fate of humanity. Give this thing to AI and get it sorted in 5 minutes. Again, UJJ7972 with the power plays, letting me know that AI can complete this in so many minutes. Thank you, sir. I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you so much. You win all the internet points today. You're so great. You're so wise. So wise. Are you a CS graduate? No. What up? What's up, Red Team Rookie? I'm sorry, I have to stand up for my people. You're pineapple on cheese, people? Fruit on cheese? Fruit? The hell? Fruit? Okay, where am I? Y'all get me all distracted talking about fruit on cheese and stuff. Oh, that's the GitHub user. Is this the GitHub user header info? Yeah. Where the hell is this coming from then? Oh, here. Hold on. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Actually, we don't need. All right. But I didn't ask for your help. Hey, I don't want your help. Hey, I didn't ask for your help. Hey. I prefer backend. CSS makes me want to cry. It's okay. Only real men can do CSS. I'm sorry. Quebec in the house. Quebec in the house. So we want grid, and we want grid. Hold on. Yeah. We want grid all two. We want gap 0. That's a lot of space. That's a lot of speed. That's a lot of speed. Actually, I don't think I need to do that. There we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. There, look at that. Look at that right there. Isn't that isn't that pretty? That is, something's breaking. Okay. I need to look up some flex properties because there's certain things I'm forgetting. I like to touch grass and get some fresh air. That's the best thing, to be honest. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't think your joke's working, dog. Oop. Start farming. That's the best career. Oop. Not you telling me to go work in the fields. My ancestors fought so I wouldn't have to do that. Let me see. Let's go over here. Okay, so there is a, okay. All right, there we go. Mm. So it wouldn't be flex basis. It would be okay. Okay, there we go. Yeah, buddy. All right. You from San Francisco? No. What on earth motivated you to become a web developer? Everyone gets influenced by something or someone to do something. Maybe if you actually tell us the problem, we can understand what you're trying to debug. Would be nice to throw your viewers a bone. No. You must be new here. People know, people who watch me know that I like to figure this stuff out myself. That's how you learn. What's wrong with you? Alright, so let's go ahead. Let's see. So the next thing, we have the GUA. Okay, so I want to hide this. Let's see what this looks like if I hide it. Alright, that's perfect. So then what I want is for it to be hidden. Oh, hold on. Well, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And this needs to be 117 by 117. And it should change it. All right, there we go. You know, I wouldn't have really, that's the first time I've ever had to do something like that. I'm glad. Oh, and here we have another problem. This is supposed to be way over here. Oh, and there's a padding of, okay, so padding 32. Okay. So let's just go ahead and do that now. So MD, we want the padding on the X to be 32. So padding X is going to be 32. All right. Padding Y is going to be 48. Yep. All right. So now what we got to do is shift this over here, over there. All right. You're solving problems, and have you ever watched any Indian creator videos on coding? Let's see. So now what we'll do is okay, so what I need to do is go to the GitHub header info and so that's in a div and that's hidden, and then this is a div. Let me tell y'all something right now. I don't know what y'all talking about up in the chat, but in my chat we don't hold on. My bad. Where was I? What's the obsession that I learn everything and become a master? And then let me tell y'all something. Let me tell y'all something right now. In my chat, y'all gonna behave yourselves and be respectful. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all know right now. So y'all better behave yourself and be respectful. Let's see. So I think what I can do is I can put this in. Old enough. Okay, so I need to push this. All right. So let's see. Join. So we got this and this. And then this could be. Let me think. Why am I having brain blips? So I know I want these two things to be together. The Octocat and at Octocat. You said get a coffee? All right. Okay. So let's see. What's up, Dev Chris? So it's already the full width. So I think what I'll do is I'll add a class here, and then I'll say on it'll be flex. Ooh, that did not turn out how I wanted it to turn out. That was the wrong div. This is the div. Oops. Hold on, what? Hold on, that doesn't make any sense to me. Okay. All right. You said what time do I sleep? Why you want to cuddle? You wanna cuddle with me? He said he wanna cuddle with me. He wanna cuddle with me. He wanna cuddle with me. Okay, so that looks good. That's not bad, right? Y'all see the dream, the vision, right? What happens if I do this? Oh, okay. All right, that's good. What's up, Yama Icewing? All right, so now what we do is we got to do it for this. This is 395. This is 570. So now we going to 1440 land. Hello, 1440 land. You unsubscribed? Oh my god, let me help you out so you never have to come back to this channel. Boop. There you go. There you go. My feelings are not hurt at all. If anything, you helped me. Thank you so much. Oh, 7:30. Oops. Today is a crazy day. There's so much craziness going on. So much craziness in the world. Hold on, can I do... No, that's not gonna work. So that's not going to work. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, man. Alright. What's up, blueberries? You know, I think that's the first time I'm gonna have to start doing my designs like this every time, starting small and then going up, because this worked out so well. Now I just need to do the data part. This worked out so well. I'm so proud of myself. This worked out so well. Worked out so well. So proud of myself. It's worked out so well. I'm so proud of myself. Worked out so well. I'm so proud of myself. So let's look at the functionality of this thing. So we type it kitty clack. So we search for a GitHub username and it searches and then we get a name. Got it. So let me see something. Let's see if I can remember this correctly. Let's go to the GitHub API, search user. Hold on, what? Hold on, wait. You can't. Hold on, wait. Hold on, wait. What's going on? The kid. What the hell is Octa Kid? Oh, I think I turned this off. Oh, no, I didn't. Thank you, Pixel Quest. Thank you. Thank you, Pixel Quest. Be a different way to do this. I think we take the... Oh, time for a break. Break. What's up? Ooh, that's cold, man. How are y'all doing tonight? Is everything great? What was that? Oh my god, I do want to play this game. It looks so good to me. Brown bro. um I'm good. How are you? How are you doing, man? I'm glad you're good. So that should happen on mount. Let's see if that works. Man, you just gotta start, man. You just gotta start. Go to freecodecamp.com. Free code camp, man. Go to that free code camp right now. Go to it right now. Oh, this needs to be way bigger than that. Ooh. I need this to be shrink 0. I need this to be the full width. And I need this to be whatever size it's going to be. But for now, I'll fix that in a second. So at least we know this works. What's up, Muhammad? So let me think. So there is something I want to give the search. So search needs to take the oops handle search, and this button will on click handle search. Well, all right, so we probably won't do this, but we will say function handle search. Let's be fancy. It might be the same blue, but I follow the Figma thing. So at the start, I'll show you. There's a design, there's a style guide, and I don't know if those are necessarily the same as the Tailwind ones. So either way, it works for me. So no. All right. So anyway. So now what I need to do is so we handle the search. Do we need to pass anything? Handle search is not a function. That's fine. We need to pass to app. Number one, I'm gonna say E. I'm gonna say E dot prevent. Is that what it is? E is undefined. Oh yeah. Search. That's that thing. Alright, now it stopped. Okay. But when I do click it, I do. So what I need it to do is to take the information from this form. What the hell is this? I need to get this value from I wonder what's the best way to do that. Put an input. What's up? Oh, do I need to set user when the search is already? Yeah, I do. I don't need to pass an object into user, do I? Can I pass an object into a state? I don't think I can pass an object into a state. Well, let's find out. Would be search. I think that's how that should work. Hmm. Okay. So there's a few things I need to handle. Let's look up another user. Oh, okay. So what if I enter the wrong thing? Okay. So I need to handle errors. I think that's how you do that. Hmm. Okay. So Okay. So let's start with the header. So the information that we need is okay. Is that an object? Inside of an object? Like what is this? Oh, this is the rest of it. Okay, this is okay. Okay. So then I would do user dot I'm gonna have to find a way to do this. Hmm. Are you a bot? Are y'all some bots? Alright. It's basically finished, but ooh, I love this song. Oh. What's up, Haza? What you can say? Okay. Mm. Guess I'll fix that tomorrow. Guess tomorrow I can finish this. Well, my friends, I think that's all I'm gonna do for today. Which sub do you have? What? Which sub do I have? What do you mean? What you mean? Oh, this is a nice song. No. It's a challenge. Oh no, I forgot to push. Dang it. Gotta get my green square. It's okay. Alright, yeah. That's the end of the stream for today. I'm about to go to sleep. I'm gonna have to start streaming earlier because streaming late at night I get too many crazy people. But y'all have a good one. I'll see y'all later. Love y'all. Bye-bye.